When you got it cut last, what was the approach like?
They cut it while it was wet.
Okay, strike one.
And then right after that, they straightened it.
Damn.
So I was like,
there you go,
yeah.
strike two. Did you know going to that hairstylist that they were gonna do it that way?
No.
Interesting. Were they kind of stating that they know how to do curls and
Yes.
and that's how they went in?
Yes.
Okay.
Which kind of surprised me.
Unfortunately doesn't surprise me. I was looking at your hair, I was like, I know what happened. So what's happening is people are seeing that there aren't very many curl specialists out there. So if people put two and two together, they understand that it's like, oh, I will get clients if I say I do curly hair. Unfortunately, what has to happen right now is you curly girls and curly guys, y'all have to know what cannot happen because they don't know.
Right.
They're saying that they do, and they do not. I mean, there's so much content out there. I don't know how they don't kind of get on board with it, but to protect yourself, I just put up these classes on curlvision.com, and it's a how to not F up curls.
Okay.
It's a short 12 video thing on there. I'm going to give all that to you now. I'm saying for everybody else that's going to watch this, they can't get to me. They can't get to a good curl specialist. They need to know what cannot happen. Because if you saw like, oh, well, you're going to wet me down, hold on. That's not how you cut curly hair. Oh, it's how I cut it. Well, then you're not cutting my hair. And if you knew that ahead of time, it probably would have saved you that money, right? So I'm sorry that happened to you on behalf of the curly hair community. It's so annoying. And as a stylist, but that's what these videos are for that I just put up so that curly girls and guys can protect themselves going in. They'll know ahead of time what cannot happen, what should not happen. And you can go over all those with them up front, which is great. I want to fix some stuff for you, just to where it lines up better, to where you're not like inverted underneath, which again happens from it being cut when it's wet straight down. I'm sure if they did any edits, it was after they blow dried you straight too. You okay with me moving it up a little bit, or you want me to try to keep as much as possible? Is the length like scary to you? I know you're already kind of up there.
Right. I just don't want to look like a mushroom, but I'm willing to give up some just to get my hair healthy again.
Mushroom to me is and then, right? Like, I'm not looking for that either. I just want to shift the weight distribution. See how it's like kind of in here and then it comes bulky here? I want to trade that. I gotta just kind of stash that away and ideally kind of hike a little this up. Nothing crazy, but it's gonna help quite a bit. I don't know if that's going to be like a lot of hair coming off to get that done, but I'll do whatever I got to do to just get that to where you're not like kind of triangulated there. As far as health goes, got it blown out, so poof. Thank you for the heat damage. But you don't do that. Are you putting oils in your hair as well?
No.
Perfect. And you're not sleeping with it wet?
No.
You feel not bad. What about like shampoos, conditioners, like any particular brands?
I don't know how it's pronounced, but it's
Ouidat. Cool. Not terrible. Is that the shampoo, conditioner, and the styling products? Okay, cool. Well, that's why your hair is not bad. I can do you one better. I'm going to show you InnerSense today. It's my favorite. I love it for what's not in it. The reason why I love it is because we have spent enough time experimenting, and I mean a very long years. We had other lines as well, but what we saw was people that were coming back that was exclusive to InnerSense, and they really, again, super small, like so shampoo, conditioner, one styling product, two styling products at most. They would walk in with nothing in their hair and it looks like it's styled to some level. So that's what I want to see on your hair. You're trying to go even further into your health. That's the only room I have is the products. You can get even cleaner, and that's InnerSense. That's it though.